Hey guys, Duke Bartnick, account manager with KCD PR here to talk about the thing no one wants to think about, but every fintech firm needs, and that's a crisis communications plan, also known as Chapter 4 of our new ebook called Fintech PR, Strategies for Growth and Success. We've seen a lot of crises in the past few years, from crypto collapses to bank failures. Anytime unexpected events happen on such a large scale, they can send panic waves through the industry. For us in PR, it's a great reminder why every company needs a robust crisis communications plan, because that could have been us. There are two main pieces to crisis communications. One, preparing for the potential crisis, and two, responding to the crisis. Ultimately, the strategy shouldn't change regardless of what takes place. It's just a matter of if and when that plan is going to be enacted. While crisis can be and feel chaotic, the response plan of action is as methodical and straightforward as possible. Learn about navigating crises and more in our new ebook. Even better, download the full version today using the link in the caption and follow along on this channel and all of our other social channels as we break down a new chapter every Wednesday.